So welcome friends. Today we will discuss the Tata Power Company. It's a large cap company with a market cap of about 1,46,000 crores. The Tata Power Company is primarily involved in the business of generation, transmission and distribution of electricity. It aims to produce electricity completely through renewable sources. It also manufactures solar roofs and plans to build 1 lakh EV charging stations by 2025. The company is India's largest vertically integrated power company. The company has a glorious history of about 100 years. It was first incorporated in 1910 as a Tata hydroelectric power supply company. And in 1991, it made its first solar cell manufacturing capacity, which was set up by Tata Power Solar Systems Limited in collaboration with BP Solar. It is India's most vertically integrated power company with revenues to the tune of 45,286 crores as of Q3 FY24. EBITDA stood at 9,342 crores and net debt was at about 38,599 crores. PAT stood at 3,235 crores. Out of the total revenue, thermal generation, coal and hydro contributed about 14,758 crores, while renewable contributed 6,718 crores and transmission and distribution contributed 27,181 crores. The company has 14 gigawatt generational assets spread across India, and out of which 8.8 megawatts is hydro, 8.35 megawatts is wind, 4.13 megawatts is hybrid, 8.8 gigawatts is thermal, 4.4 gigawatts is through waste heat recovery, while I think it should be 3 gigawatts is through solar power generation. The company has got assets outside India as well. One is in Georgia with a capacity of 187 megawatts. Another is in Zimbabwe with 120 megawatts installed capacity. At both the places, they have about 50% stake in the company, and they have a 26% stake in a company that has got an installation capacity of 126 megawatts in Bhutan. Then the company has about 25 to 30% shares in coal mines in 3 coal mines in Indonesia, located in Indonesia, and they have 154 megawatts installed capacity in Indonesia again, wherein they hold a stake of about 30%. So around date, clean and green accounts for about 54% capacity post-project completions for the Tata Power Company. The company aspires to be carbon net zero before 2045 and water neutral before 2030 and zero water landfill before 2030. Company aspires to achieve 100% clean and green power generation by FY 2045. In 2015, largely a coal-based company having capacity to fulfill the energy demands of developing India, and in 2023, they have transitions toward clean and green portfolio through renewable energy capacity expansions. By 2030, they expect the clean and green capacity will account for about 70% of overall capacity by 2030. And by 2045, they plan to phase out thermal portfolio as power purchase agreements for the thermal capacities expires by then. In terms of EV charging stations, they have so far installed 5,344 public and captive chargers till date, and they have covered 479 cities and towns across the country with 73,378 E4-wheelers home chargers, E4W home chargers, and they have so far deployed 690 e-bus charging points. The company has deployed about 500 EV charging points across India. They intend to deploy, rather, and in partnership with Kanpur Municipal Corporation for development of charging infrastructure in the city, and they have an agreement signed with Assam government to roll out charging networks in Guwahati city. Now we'll have a look at the key financials of the company. The market cap of the company is about 1,46,000 crores. Current stock price is 458. It made a 52-week high of 460 rupees and a 52-week low of 199 rupees. The stock is trading at a P/E of 42.7. Book value is 94.3. That is, it is trading at about a price to book value of 4.85. ROCE for the company is 11.7 and ROE is about 12.6%. They have yet to declare the results of Q4 FY24. While if we have a look at the previous quarter, there was a dip on quarter-to-quarter basis from 15,000 crores to 14,651 crores in Q3 FY24. The operating margins also saw a drop of 200 basis points from 18% to 16%, and accordingly, the net profits remained almost flat at 1,000 crores on quarter-to-quarter basis. While if we see on trailing 12-month basis, the sales have increased to about 58,000 crores from 55,000 crores, and there's an improvement in operating margins of about 300 basis points from 14% to 17%. So accordingly, the net profit has also risen from 3,810 crores to 4,173 crores. Having a look at the balance sheet of the company has got a reserves of 29,817 crores, while their borrowings stood at 52,526 crores as of September 2023. And current work in progress for that quarter was about 7,199 crores. Cash from operating activities for March 2023 stood at 7,159 crores. And having a look at the shareholding pattern of the company, promoters hold 46.86% in the company, while FIs hold 9.44% in the company, DIs hold 15.47% in the company, and public holds 27.91% in the company. So this is it about the Tata Power company, and we'll meet up soon in a new video. Till then, take care and have a good time.